Welcome to Migrate Technologies. For more updates, please like and do subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to migrate the bot from A11.x version to A2019, and also how to deploy a bot which is created in A2019 into the bot runner license. I never see a video which shows how to deploy the bot in the bot runner license in A2019, so that is why I'm just including that into the current tutorial. So okay, what I'm going to do is I will just quickly show you how what exactly the bot which I'm going to migrate to A2019 from A11.x version, and then once the migration is happened to the particular bot, right, then I will deploy that respective bot into the bot runner license, and I will show you how what exactly the steps and what kind of roles is required to deploy a task into the bot runner license in A2019. Let's move on. I'm just quickly showing the task which what I'm going to deploy or migrate into the A2019 and run into the A2019 bot owner license. So this is the task. In my previous videos I already shown this is the guessing number game. So what I'm going to do is, this is my A11.x version, so I'm going to migrate this particular task into A2019, right? So there are basically three different ways of doing this, like migrating the code into A2019. There are three different ways. One is using the simple command in A2019, and the other one is if you go to the A2019 control room, right? So there you can see administration. So under the administration you can see migration option. So if you wanted to do it a bulk way, you can do using this, and the other one will be using the bot scanner in automation anywhere. Like we should have we can download the bot scanner utility from automation anywhere. So from there we can simply go ahead and do the things. Let me show you the bot scanner utility, how it looks. So this is the bot scanner utility, and you can just give like you can just give the repository from where the task you need to uh, take, and analyze, is there all the tasks which are going to be migrated to A2019, or is there something issues in terms of variables or any packages or something. You can simply get to know those dependencies, issues, all those things using the bot scanner utility. Okay, let's move on. I will just simply go to A2019, and then I will just show you a simple way how we can migrate bot from 11.x to A2019. So I'm just going to create a simple bot for this. So in automation anywhere A2019, right? So there is one of the command called migration. So using that I can do it. I'm just creating one of the task. I just named it A11.x to 2019. So if I can search for a particular activity which I told, right, migrate a bot, right? So just take this, and when you take this, it will ask uh, which file or which one you wanted to migrate it from. Like you need to take taskbot.atmx file and the select taskbot file. So here you can take it from either control room or desktop or variables. I'll just select a desktop file and take it from my local machine. So in my local machine I have installed A11.x version, and in my virtual box I have installed A2019. So I'm just going to show you how to run this particular task in A2019 in my virtual machine. Let's go here, automation anywhere, my tasks. I'm just going to do guessing number game. This is a one. So I just selected this, and output wherever you wanted to store it, right there you can just do it. Let me do one thing. I'll just give this path. I'll just give this particular path so that that XML file will be stored here whenever the bot runs. So currently, if you can go, let me show you once. If you can go here, you don't see any guessing number game code or bot here, right? Whenever I complete this task, that is going to be migrate the bot to here from A11.x version to here. Then I will show you how the code is migrated and how the commands are looks like in A2019. So it's deploying into this particular machine. So it's running, and once it is completed, we can see that particular guessing number game, particular bot in our A2019. Let's close this, and if I can go back here, see here you can see that, and it's just now it is just now imported or migrated. So let me open this task and show you how the commands are. See, all the commands whatever it is there in the previous 11.x versions, right? All those has been came here. You can see all the if conditions and everything. So some cases when you do this utility also, right, it is going to be failed because some of the variables which is not supported. For example, when you use a subtasks, right? So those cases when you call the subtasks, sorry, variables from the subtask to main tasks, those cases sometimes mappings or something has to be recorrected. So you may need to take care after you migrated also. There is no 100% confidence on the bot will completely 100% execute in A2019. So maybe sometimes you may need to reconfigure small things, but not much. So let me run this and see whether it is going to work or not. See, by default whatever the variables are there, maximum variables, it is just showing, right? Let me do confirm, and I'm just running this task or the bot. So this is a normal like a guessing number game. Whenever the bot runs, it's asked to enter a number, a range between 1 to 999. It asked me to guess one number between that range, and bot will generate one random number. Your guess was too low between the same range, and it will match me with my guess, whatever the user input. So guess was low, and let us say 750. I just given 500 initially. Guess was again too low. Let's say 850. So it's a too high. Let's say 800. It's a normal guessing number game which you already seen in my one of the previous video. 825. It's a too high. So the number lies between 800 and 825. Let's say 820 high, 815. It's again high, 810. This is high again, 805 high, 803 low. Maybe 804 is the number which which bot is generated, the random number between the range. Congrats, your guess was correct, 804. Okay, you wanted to play again. If I say yes, the same has to be happen again. If I say no, the bot will I hope you enjoyed the game, thanks for playing. Just close this, right? So this is 100% perfectly working. Some cases, as I mentioned, right, if there are some run tasks or something, or web related automations or something, right, that may not work. So those cases you may need to realign the variables or something. So don't depend this is going to be work 100%. Some cases your attention is required to make those changes. So let me show you quickly, like as I mentioned, right? So here I done this migrating the code from A11.x to A2019, and then let me show you how to deploy a bot into the bot runner license in A2019. I never see a video on this in YouTube, so that's what I thought of showing this. Okay, so to deploy right in bot runner license, I'm just going to show you simple, what I did for the in terms of roles and usernames. So I just created one role that I can call it as RC mission, runner mission. So in this role I just selected some of the permissions whatever I wanted to. I just selected a limited access to this particular role, and then I created one user. So I just named it as RC, so runner license, runner client. So excuse me. So there I just given two roles. One is the roles which I created and the AAE basic role, and then I just given unattended bot runner license, right? So I just given this and save this, and let me go back to my, just go here. So just go here. Let me go back to my virtual machine. So here is uh, the the actual physical A2019 on-premises environment. This is the one. So I'm just using this machine for the runner license, and I'm just using my local machine as for the developer license. So I don't need to see in A11.x version, right? If you logging through the client in the same, let us say I have only one machine. So if I logging to the client using the runner license, it's going to be the runner. Whereas if you are logging with the creator license, it's going to be the creator where you can create the task and edit the task. But in year 2019, that is something different. Whenever you do that, changing the usernames, right, you may need to reconfigure your machine also. Bot agent also should be reconfigured. So the reason is whenever you connect it to the bot creator license, right? So I'm just quickly going to show you that. So here, if you can go to the devices, so this is the bot creator 2 license, which I, in my local mission, I logged in with this particular user. So the mission is registered with this. So if you re-log in with the bot runner license, it's not going to be changed. So that is why what you need to do is you just need to remove this, and you need to add local bot agent when you log in with runner license. You can do that, and then post that you need to do this way. So then only the bot is turned into the runner license. So to avoid that, I just using the two missions. One is my local, which is for the bot creator, and virtual mission is for the bot runner. Okay. So even if you can see it from here, right? So here itself you can see the bot runner license, which is already there. So this is my virtual machine. So let me try to run the bot on this particular. So let me do, I don't think this have the permissions. Let me log in with admin. So I just logged in. So here I can just go here. Here I don't see that particular guessing number game. The reason behind, I wantedly skip one step in the previous to make your attention here. The reason is I haven't checked in the code. So this, whatever the code which I developed in bot creator 2, right, that is specific to creator 2, that is specific to this particular user. So now I wanted to make this visible to the every user which is in the particular control room. So to do that, I'm just going to show you what we need to do. I just wantedly made this to show you guys and make you guys aware of it. So just go here, and here you can see check in taskbar. Just do that. Let us say v1.0 to check in, and you can just give whatever the comments you want. So now I done this, right? Let me go back and log into the admin. So now you can able to see the particular task or the bot. See here, it just came. The reason is I haven't checked in when I make the changes in another. So the check-in is nothing but if you talk about 11.x version, right? Whenever you do something in the client, you do upload to the control room, right? Here also check-in is something like that. There is not much difference. So I'm just going to run the bot. So this is the one. I'll just select, just go down. I don't want to give any variables here. So this is the mission which I'm going to use, bot runner. So click next, Nothing is required, just click run. So this is running. If I go here, the bot will running this particular mission. Yeah, this started. Let us say 500 again is too high. 400 again, too high. Let's say 300. 200. It's too high again. Let us say 100. Too low. 150. 125. This is too high again. 115. Too high. 110. It's too high. 105. Too low. 107. Too high. So 106 will be the number. Right, this way you can just. Thanks for playing. So this is my bot runner, and the other one is my. So here you can, if you can refresh, you can see the status also, what's happened. Active. Okay, if you go to historical, there you can see the status is successful, right? So this is how we can migrate the code from 11.x version to A2019, and also we can deploy the bot which is created in A2019 to the bot runner license. So it's not that easy, like how we can flip the usernames like bot runner license to the client in A11.x version. So here if you do the flipping of the usernames, then you may need to re-register the machine again, else it's not going to work. I hope you like this video and you get to know how to migrate the code simply from A11.x version to A2019, and also how to deploy the bot in bot runner in A2019. Maybe in the upcoming videos I will show you guys how to do the other ways. As I mentioned, there are two more ways, right? Using bot scanner utility and also using administrator migration utility. So if required, I am going to make those two approaches also. So I hope you like this video. To get more updates on my further videos, please like and subscribe the channel, so that whenever I upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I hope this video helps you. To get more updates, please like and subscribe the channel.
Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section. We'll get back to you.